Hello, welcome back. Let's read some more words with D. Can you read this word? We can separate the sukukata this way. We have A and Da. So this word is Ada. Ada. Ada means has or have. I have a book. Saya ada buku. He has a book. Dia ada buku. Can you read this word? We can see da with a single sound n. Together we have done. Done. Done means and. I have a pencil and a book. Saya ada pencil dan buku. Done. Can you read this word? We can separate the sukukata this way. We have mu and da. Together we say muda. Muda. Muda means young. Who is young here? Yes, the boy is young. Muda. Can you read this word? How do you separate the sukukata? Okay, we can see ma and do. Together, we say madu. Madu. Madu is honey. What about this word? What are the sukukata here? We can see da and do. Together we say da do. Da do. Da do is a die. Can you read this word? We can see a, d, and the sound k. Together we say adik. Adik. Adik is a younger sister. Adik perempuan or a younger brother. Adik lelaki. Adik. Can you read this word? We can see do, another do with a k. So together we say duduk. Duduk. Duduk means sit. Duduk. Duduk. Let's do a listening game. If you can hear d in the following words, touch your nose. Are you ready? Dua. Yes, we can hear D here. Dua. Ular. No, there's no D in ular. Next one. Diam. Yes, we can hear D here. Diam. Next one. Dapat. Yes, dapat. We can hear D. Next one. Dia. Yes, there's D in dia. Next one. Kupu. No, there's no D in kupu. Next one. Duka. Yes, we can hear D in duka. Next one. Can you hear D in kopi? No, there's no D in kopi. Okay, let's read some sentences. Can you read this word? Ada. Ada means has or have. Adik, that is a little brother or a little sister. Adik. Saya, that's I. If I want to say I have a little brother, in Malay we say saya ada adik. I have a little brother or a little sister. So let's make this a complete sentence by writing a capital letter for S and give it a full stop at the end. Saya ada adik. I have a little brother or a little sister. Okay, so that is adik perempuan, and here adik lelaki. Adik. Can you read this word? Adik. Adik. This is saya. Saya means I. What do we say? My little brother. We say adik saya, my little brother, or my little sister, adik saya. What is this word? Mana. Mana means where. So if I want to ask a question, where is my little brother? I say, mana adik saya? Where is my little brother? Or it could be a little sister. Mana adik saya? Let's begin with a capital letter. And since this is a question, we give it a question mark at the end. Mana adik saya? Where is my little brother? Adik. Kamu. Kamu means you. But if we put adik kamu together, this is your little brother or your little sister. Okay, adik kamu. Duduk, sit. Di situ, over there. Di situ. Adik kamu duduk di situ. This is a sentence with a capital letter and a full stop at the end. Adik kamu duduk di situ. Your little brother is sitting over there. Adik kamu duduk di situ. Okay, so that's all we have for now. Remember to keep learning. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you again very soon.